Question of the Week from the Naked Scientists.
Hello and welcome to Question of the Week from the Naked Scientists with me, Dr. Hannah Critchlow. An out-of-this-world question has crossed the ether and landed in the Naked Scientists inbox.
Hi, this is David Gould in Dublin, California. If scientists conclude that Mars is lifeless, will they decide to introduce life in order to terraform the planet?
Before considering whether we should, let's try and find out if we actually could.
Hello, my name is Catherine Cumley, and I'm the NASA Planetary Protection Officer. Firstly, we know that there's life on Earth that could survive in similar environments on Mars. There are organisms that live deep beneath the surface of South Africa that live on the radioactive decay of the rocks around them. If they were put in a similar location on Mars, they would certainly be able to survive there. There are also lichens and other organisms that at least can survive in many of the aspects of the environment of Mars that we can mimic in labs on Earth. People have done studies to try and understand how long it would take and what do you need to do to terraform life on Mars. First, you would need to warm up the planet a little bit, and then you would introduce organisms that could change the atmosphere, photosynthetic organisms that would break down the carbon dioxide and turn it into oxygen so that humans might be able to live there. That process would take about 100,000 years. So it is possible, certainly, to terraform Mars. We have organisms on Earth that could probably live there with only a small amount of tweaking.
So yes, modelling predicts that we could terraform Mars with life from Earth. But do we want to terraform it? Back to Cassie, whose job it is to protect our planets.
My job as Planetary Protection Officer is to make sure that NASA does not contaminate Mars with life from Earth. Because we want to study life that might be already on Mars, we don't want to introduce life until we have a chance to study what's already there. This is specified in the Outer Space Treaty. Article 9 says that we will not cause harmful contamination of other locations or adverse changes to the environment of the Earth as we explore extraterrestrial locations. And it's also a good idea from agency policy because the reason we're going to Mars is to look for life. And it's easy to find life on Mars. All you need to do is bring it with you.
Thank you, Dr. Catherine Connolly, Planetary Protection Officer for NASA. So yes, we could terraform Mars with life from Earth, but humans are trying not to do this. There are strict regulations in place so that we can continue to explore, rather than contaminate, any indigenous life that might already exist up there. Sticking with the solar system theme, we take an energetic skip to our next question.
This is David from the States. I have two questions about pretty much the same thing. Is it true that we get vitamin D from the sun? And if so, does that mean that we, like plants, photosynthesize?
So is a human producing vitamin D a bit like a photosynthesizing plant? Send your thoughts to Chris at thenakedscientist.com, tweet at nakedscientists, write on our Facebook page or join in the debate on our forum, which is at nakedscientists.com/forum.
The Naked Scientists Question of the Week, brought to you in association with the Houter Wisman Foundation, supporting science and education from Alpha to Omega.